Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Zmeli and I'm a product manager on the Microsoft Entra team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Global Secure Access Traceroute tool, what it is, why it exists, and how to use it to troubleshoot connectivity to the Microsoft Entra Private Access applications. So let's get started. What is GSATraceRT tool? Global Secure Access Traceroute tool is a lightweight command line tool that does not require admin permissions to run. And it allows you to test the connectivity and latency to the Microsoft Entra Private Access applications. It helps also in showing each hop in the path, round trip time, the geographic location of each hop, and lastly, upload and download throughput. GSATraceRT is installed by default in the latest GSA Windows client under Program Files, Global Secure Access Client, GSATraceRT folder. Now let's jump into the demo and see GSATraceRT tool in action. We are on a device that has Global Secure Access Client installed and enabled. Now let's open Terminal and then we need to locate GSATraceRT location. By running help parameter, we will be able to see all options that we can use by specifying a host and port or by specifying the Microsoft Entra Private Access Application ID. Let's start with a simple test by specifying the host and port. This is useful when we know the backend IP address or full qualified domain name and port. Here we can see the GSA Private Access Gateway, the connector hub, and the backend application as well. For each hub, the tool shows round trip time and location, which is extremely helpful for connectivity and latency troubleshooting. In many cases, you may not know the backend IP address or full qualified domain name, or you may want to test the access to private access application. In this case, you can trace using the application ID. There is also a speed test option that enables experiment throughput measurement that you can run and you can see the uploaded and downloaded throughput. That's it for this video. We hope you find it useful. For further resources, please see the description below. Thanks for watching.